It's quite challenging to create an online presence when you're a small business because we have a slightly unusual looking product that helps. I'm David Sherman, I'm TurtlePack's Chief Marketing Officer. The biggest challenge of launching a product is actually trying to get people to understand how it works, and that's really my job. I love showing the product in use because people immediately understand it, what the benefits are and what sets us apart from traditional swimming things like armbands or rubber rings. I first came across Adobe Express as part of the competition. It's been amazing in terms of understanding how quick and easy you can create content that looks like it's been done by a real designer. Anyone can use Adobe Express. As a busy business owner, it's incredibly useful to be able to just adapt something that already exists, put the TurtlePack stamp on it and then get it out there. The competition has definitely opened new doors for TurtlePack, not just in terms of exposure to an audience, but also the network that we've made from meeting with other winners, meeting with the teams from Adobe. It's pretty surreal to see my work on a billboard, especially because I failed higher art when I was at school. It's amazing for a small business like TurtlePack to have access to the kinds of reach that we now have through this competition. No matter what age they are, no matter what stage they are, where they live in the country, they need to be learning to swim, and that's something that we're hugely privileged to be part of.